we will start off with freshly shampooed hair, and then I'll start by parting down the middle and using my pomade to keep the hair separated. You tie off the sides of the hair, make sure you get some clean parts, and then you start off by taking the front section, and I start by separating it into 3. I'm not too sure if you see that clear enough, but I did the crossover method. And then you add in your strips of hair. I start off with the smallest strip. I think I use 3. I use 3 strips of hair for the middle part. And it's pretty hard to explain, but I hope you could see how to do it. If y'all want to see me get into more details as to how I do my fade and braids, you can leave a comment down below. But yeah, I'll just fast forward now. See you in a few. Make sure that you have clean parts. But I start up here doing the exact same thing. I start off with the client's natural hair, and I start braiding it using the crossover method. Then start adding in the strips of hair piece by piece, starting off with the smallest strip. For each larger row, I use 6 strips of hair. Starting from, I have like the smallest one, and then maybe around the 4th strip I did those ones the same size. So the 4th, 5th, and 6th strip were all the same size, but I just added in and continued rolling back. I'm a bit difficult though and complex, so it's not as easy as how I saw other persons do it. But I guess I'll make a video as to how I exactly hold the hair for the feeding method, and how I get it to, lock into the hair. But yeah, like I said before, just let me know, leave a comment down below. I'll stop talking so you can get back to the video. So I hope you enjoy. forget that you have to clip the fags away. You have to clip them. So I'm just going through clipping all the flyaways, fags. Then I'm going in with my composition smooths by Design Essentials, because I feel as though it molds the hair, so it lets all of the like flyaways lay flatter. I do not know how to fix edges too well, but I tried. And here we have the finished look. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed, and